ঘড়িতে সময় বিকেল 4টে আর বিকেল 4টে মানে নিউজ 18 প্রাইম। নিউজ 18 প্রাইমে আমি রুমেলা রয়েছি আপনাদের সঙ্গে। সুপ্রিম কোর্টে এসআইআর সংঘাত, নিজের মামলায় নিজেই সওয়াল মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়। কোথাও বিচার পাচ্ছেন না, কোর্টে সওয়াল করলেন মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়। কমিশনকে 6 বার তিনি চিঠি লিখেছেন কিন্তু উত্তর পাননি। সর্বোচ্চ আদালতে সওয়াল মুখ্যমন্ত্রী।
May I explain you, sir?
Because in my view,
Because I belongs to that state. I am a
Can there be any doubt, Madam?
no, sir. No, sir. I am very grateful, sir, because of your kindness. My humble regards to my honorable Chief Justice, Mr. Bagchi and Mr. Panchali also. Panchali ji also. Thank you very much, and my humble regards to Mr. Dwivedi and others, my opponent lawyers also. Sir, the problem is always our lawyers fight for the case and they're fighting from the beginning. We are also. But sir, when everything is finished, when we are not getting justice, when justice is crying behind the door, I quote Rabindranath Tagore, then we thought that we are not getting justice anywhere. So many times I have written 6 letters to Election Commission, including all the details, but no reply, sir. I'm a bonded labor, sir. Maybe I prefer that. I'm a very less important person. I prefer that. Sir, I'm from a common family, but I'm not fighting for my party.
এসআইআর প্রতিবাদে সুপ্রিম কোর্টে সওয়াল। বাংলাকে টার্গেট, রাজ্যকে বুলডোজ করছে কমিশন। লজিক্যাল ডিসক্রিপেন্সির নামে হয়রানি। বিয়ের পর মেয়ের শ্বশুর বাড়ি গেলে নাম বাদ, গরিব মানুষ বাড়ি বদলালে নাম বাদ, আতঙ্কে শতাধিক মৃত্যু। শুনানিতে অভিযোগ মমতার।
I am giving you the example. I can show you some photographs. If you allow me, only I want to submit, sir, I want to lay, because it is not my photograph. All the Bengali leading newspapers, it is reported. You'll be surprised to know sir, only, sir, my submission, sir.
No,
Sir, their SIR process is only for deletion, not for inclusion. Mismatch, not only the title, sir. Mismatch, mismap, unplanned. Now suppose a daughter after marriage, she go to the in-laws house. Now why she's changed her title? Why she's using the husband's name, husband's title? That is also mismatch.
it can't be.
Yes, sir, they have done it, sir.
That's why we are.
Now,
That's
sir,
why we
only I just want to, sir. Number 2, sir, there are some daughters who married and shifted the in-laws house. They are now also just unilaterally deleted. It is just because they shifted their houses. Sir, you will appreciate sometimes some people work some office, they go to they transferred other offices, they work somewhere. Sometimes the poor people, they purchase the flats, they shifted their addresses, but they are the genuine people are staying there. But because of the name of logical discrepancy, now they change the name. No, instead of logical discrepancy, when you gave order, sir, they violated, and they say it is a discrepancy mapping. Sir, can they even violate your order? Number 2, sir, we are grateful. Bengal people are so happy that this court gave order that Aadhaar card will be one of the proof documents. But they said no, only with Aadhaar card. Sir, in other state, sir, the domicile certificate is allowed. Sir, the family registered card is allowed. Sir, the government housing card is allowed. The health card is allowed. The bank books means whatever caste certificate is allowed. Only they targeted Bengal on the eve of election. Sir, 4 opposition state are going for on the eve of election. But why after 24 years, what was the hurry to do it? What it takes 2 years, only within 3 months, even when the festival season is there, when the harvesting season is there, when people are not in a mood to be in the city, they were in the outside, but they're traveling. And that time they issued the notices and all this. Sir, more than 100 people died, sir. Can you imagine? Sir, BLOs died and they have written the letter that CEO is responsible for my committing suicide. So many BLOs are murdered, they died. And also more than 150 people died and so many are hospitalized. Sir, because of the harassment of the people,
It is there.
because of Bengal is targeted, sir.
fine.
Sir, you tell me why not Assam? Sir, why not Assam?
The state
Moral
government,
conditions will not-
we cried foul, saying that
Why not Assam?
need cooperation. They say
Why not Northeastern?
সুপ্রিম কোর্টে মমতার আরো সওয়াল বিএলও ইআরও এইআরওদের কোনো ক্ষমতা নেই বিজেপি শাসিত রাজ্যের রোল অবজারভার মাইক্রো অবজারভাররা নাম মুছে দিচ্ছেন সুপ্রিম কোর্টে মানুষের অধিকার রক্ষার আর্জি মমতা নির্বাচন কমিশন যেন নামের ছোট ভুলে কাউকে বাদ না দেয় পর্যবেক্ষণ শীর্ষ আদালতের পরের শুনানি সোমবার
What happens, sir, ultimately, in practical, ERO has no power now. They have superseded all the power from DO, ERO, BLRO. Only they have appointed 8,300 micro observer and the role observer from the BJP ruled state, so that DO cannot clear the name. It is all micro observer can delete all the names sitting inside the election commission office through AI. Sir, earlier 58 lakhs are being deleted. Even they were not allowed to file Form 6. Sir, earlier first phase, 58 lakhs deleted. There are so many people are alive and now they are being declared by that they are their death. Sir, the anti-women, so many women.
Madam Mamta, if need arises, we will mandate it, we will direct. Every document will have to be signed by the BLO, who are the authorized officers and who are the authorized notified officers.
kindly see the
And-
directions in the website, Millers,
Don't
so
think
far as
that
the so-called micro observer.
Micro observer is the final authority. Election commission, WhatsApp commission.
complete
WhatsApp
away from-
commission is saying
Have a look at-
it is only the micro observer. Only they are deleting all the names.
think, Millers, they could certificate on record, except.
May I just take you back?
They are all government of India officials.
My lords,
They are,
even
Lord, in one of the matters, government is a party. Lord,
and the problem is that they are not allowing the people.
let the matter
They are not allowing the
Legal domain.
state officials.
possibly for most of the submit.
They are not allowing the domicile certificate.
Day after.
They are not allowing the government certificate.
let that be a direction, Millers, we should be served the copies.
May I just highlight? two
I
points?
have something.
Yeah, I just want to highlight 2 points. If your lordship would just take up, I want to save time, so just go to my note for a moment. Just go back.
But I want to intervene for 1 minute, Lord, if Lordship permits, Lord. We have written several letters to the state government to give us Group B, Lord, the class 2 officers of the rank of SDM or equivalent, so that, my Lord, EROs can be appointed. That's the standard pattern, my Lord, that they should be class 2 officers because they decide vital rights, papers and all.
No, that has.
Now they have given, Lord, only about 80 officers of that rank. Rest, all of them were given who were clerks and below, who were working under the pressure of the state government. Therefore, we had to appoint, Lord, micro observers who can assist, Lord, in case, Lord, they are in the confusion. So the fault lies with them in not giving us class 2 officers for performing the job of AERO and ERO. That's the reason why this is happening. And these micro observers are validly appointed under Section 13C, read with 3.
No, there is no statutory rules.
My learned friends are not right, Lord, that they are not, we are not entitled to appoint them. If this is the state of affairs, which is not contemplated by the rules and the state is not cooperating, then there's no alternative except to appoint the observers who can assist. Class 3 officers from Anganwadi and so on, they are being given to us. So that's
And
the
this is the
reason why
communication.
assistance.
Lord, there is only one.
But they are not assisting.
There is
They are
one.
taking
Lord, one.
They are
Lordships
taking
have
themselves, not
one side of the story. May be true, may not be true. I'll not go into it. Look, there is one more petition where the Election Commission of India has filed an affidavit. That also may be taken on record. It's not listed on board. It was mentioned by Mr. Giri. Lord, I am appearing in that matter and I have read the affidavit. Lord, that also will have some bearing, Lord, in ultimately what your Lordship passes the order.
And we have highlighted
we-
all the
I just-
difficulties we have been facing, Millers.
My lord, My lord, my lord.
My lord, it is pointed out the
Yeah,
hostility.
just have 2 minutes. I just want to
observers are
highlight.
not
A
assisting.
victim, that's all, my lord. I'm saying let us confine.
Ultimately, we
No, no.
ask them to at
Both of
least 2 days time we'll have to give
Yes,
them
yes.
to seek their response.
Sir, matter is not correct, sir.
Survey copy minutes.
But fair enough.
Wait, Amma-
What I'm highlighting is
There
just
is no
2 things so
problem.
that your lordship sees them.
Let me say this, bro, there's no problem of time, my
The
lord.
the first
Have
point-
some buffers if there is
अरे भाई এটা
more than 1 crore already heard. And if somebody is not heard, your lordships are there and we are,
We have
our
granted-
power is
we
there.
have been extending time. We have been extending time. We have been-
My lord have
I have-
passed a slew of directions.
Yes, sir.
my lordship,
Every
my lordship with my humble regards. May I tell you, sir?
Whatever they have pointed out
my
and my-
opponent lawyers raised.
that.
Sir, sir, that is not correct.
Madam-
That is not correct, sir.
Madam Mamta, we have no doubt about the ability of Mr. Diwan. He is one of the best senior counsel you have chosen.
Yes,
Let him
with his
let him
permission.
discuss on your behalf.
With his permission, sir. Only one thing, sir.
Your point we have well taken.
Sir, it depends on some district,
Kindly-
some states, sir.
I'll just-
Bihar, suppose 44 district. We have 23 district. Now SGM is depends on the district wise. Now whatever we have the strength, we have included all.
Like,
We are
you-
cooperating to them
are you
all.
prepared- are you
Micro.
prepared to provide class 2 group.
Yes, we have given, sir. Whatever they ask,
All right.
we have given. But they are telling
All right, please.
what I don't believe.
I think we will be able to find out a practical solution.
Very well.
On Monday, when we take up this matter, we are granting them 2 days time to have instructions based upon all the notes and information which you have gathered.
Very well.
And you also on Monday, please give us the list of the Group B officers which you are in a position to spare
Yes.
and to provide to them for their
Furnish it in
assistance.
advance.
So that
And your lordships may list that matter also because
Yes.
there is direct bearing on that.
ICT.
There is an atmosphere of hostility. Election Commission says.
And it contains all our communications to the
but
government.
with written
Trying for help.
issued contemporaneously.
issue notice.
Lords, I have one apprehension, that's all I have. I don't want Mr.
We are entitled to our defense.
That's what we're saying.
That's an ongoing exercise that will continue.
Sir, only my last submission, sir. Sir, what about they have only first phase 58 lakhs deleted. They didn't have any scope to appeal even Form 6. Number 2, the second phase, 1 crore 30 lakhs. Only my request would be, whatever the system is maintaining the other state, they are only targeting Bengal. Only for Bengal, they appointed these micro observers.
Not the
This
forum
is-
military.
Yes,
plate.
for to bulldoze the West Bengal people. Sir, my humble submission will be, sir, the logical discrepancy case not to be deleted, and there should be, as it is, it should be cleared by the DO and the ERO, not with the micro observer, not with the role observers.
Well, let's take as well see your lordship directions on the last occasions.
Give us the list of the officers whom you can spare.
Yes.
Whom you can spare.
Yes.
Probably, once the officers are made available.
Yes.
Then micro observer will not be required.
Not be necessary. Absolutely.
Milu
Yes,
will
yes.
Yes, absolutely.
Can do it.
whatever the
And on
role they
Monday
are
itself, we are taking up the matter on Monday. Meanwhile, they will also get instructions and you also give us that list.
Very well.
Mr. Diwan, please ask your junior to give
Yes.
complete set of paper book.
Of course.
In both matters, we'll.
Both matters. And in Mr. Gopal's matter.
To item
he-
37.
he was very learned in-
Sir, with my humble regards, I convey my great regards,
Personal fame.
and I will just tell, save democracy.
Just one last thing I want to flag. When we argued the merits in Bihar, your lordships noticed this logical inconsistency, etc., were not issues there. The problem is every time a new state comes up, there will be a new issue which has absolutely no constitutional.
Every day changing the decision.
Every state will have some new issue.
Exactly.
It is bound to be also.
But
because-
it has to have a legal basis. Without a legal basis, they can't start examining something which is not from the
If
draft
the
code at
state
all.
government fights a constitutional body, what could be the legal basis?
Please protect the people's rights.